Wood furniture has always represented more than function. It represents craftsmanship, durability, a connection to tradition, and to quality that lasts. In a world filled with fast furniture and temporary trends, well-made wooden furniture stands apart. It ages gracefully, it grows more beautiful over time, and it tells a story through every grain and joint. Welcome to the Best Wood Furniture Collection and in-depth wood furniture reviews. This is where design meets durability, where aesthetics meet everyday use, and where informed choices replace guesswork. Choosing wood furniture today can feel overwhelming. There are countless styles, different wood species, various finishes, constructions, and price ranges. Some pieces look stunning but fail in quality. Others are solid but lack character or design. Our goal is simple: to help you find furniture that is truly worth owning. Furniture that fits your lifestyle, your space, and your long-term expectations. Wood furniture is an investment. Unlike mass-produced alternatives, a well-crafted wooden table, chair, or cabinet is designed to last for years, even generations. From dining tables and coffee tables to beds, wardrobes, and storage solutions, wood defines the foundation of a home. But not all wood furniture is created equal. The type of wood matters. Solid wood behaves differently from veneers. Hardwoods differ from softwoods in strength and longevity. Grain structure affects both appearance and durability. Oak offers strength and timeless appeal. Walnut delivers richness and depth. Teak provides natural resistance and luxury. Pine offers warmth and affordability. Construction matters just as much. Joinery techniques, panel thickness, structural support, and finish quality all determine how a piece performs over time. A beautiful design means nothing if the furniture can't handle real-world use. That's why reviews matter. In this collection, we look beyond first impressions. We examine build quality, stability, comfort, finish consistency, and long-term usability. We test how furniture functions in daily life, not just how it looks in a showroom. Design is equally important. Great wood furniture balances form and function. It complements interior styles without overpowering the space. From modern minimalism to rustic, farmhouse, Scandinavian, and classic designs, wood adapts and elevates. Details make the difference. Edges, proportions, surface texture, hardware, and how the piece feels when you use it. Sustainability is no longer optional. Responsible sourcing, eco-friendly finishes, and ethical production are now essential parts of quality furniture. Wood furniture should not only look good, it should feel right to own. In this video, we'll explore a curated selection of the best wood furniture pieces available today. We'll compare designs, analyze materials, and share honest, practical reviews. You'll see what stands out and what's worth skipping. Whether you're furnishing a new home, upgrading a single room, or simply looking for inspiration, this collection is designed to guide you. So take your time, look closely, and think beyond trends, because the best furniture isn't bought often, it's chosen carefully.